Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today we will take phonics practice and we will answer some questions together, okay? First of all, I will tell you the day and the date. The day today is Monday and the spelling is Monday and the date is 35/14/43 after Hijra, okay? As I told you girls at the beginning of my video, that today we will take phonics practice, page 50, 51, 52, and 53. And the rest will be homework, girls, okay? So now I need you girls to open page 50, please. Open page 50 and listen. Open page 50 and listen to exercise 1. Listen, point, and say two words with double E-E-A and I-E. Listen. Say the words.
Words with E-E, E-A, I-E. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
E-E says E. 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 Sleep. E-A says E. 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 Read. I-E says I. 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 Tie. Now you make the sounds and say. Okay, now listen to me. Look at the picture and circle the right word. Exercise 2, girls. Number 1, we have beach. Okay, this is the right answer or this is the right choice. Number 2, we have pay, pine, pie, and pen. Of course, the right answer is pie. P-I-E. Number 3, we have teas, cheese, chess, and clothes. Of course, this is what? This is cheese, okay? Number 4, we have meet as a noun, team, mat, and met. Of course, the right answer is meet. Number 5, sell, less, seal, and sail. Of course, here the right answer is seal, okay? Number 6, we have ship, shape, sheep, and heap. Of course, this is what, girls? This is a sheep, okay? This is a sheep. Number 7, we have meet as a noun, meet as a verb, met and met. Of course, the right answer is meet with double E. Number 8, what's the right answer, girls? The right answer is the last one, peach, okay? P-E-A-C-H, okay? Now, girls, listen, point, and say, then say and mime. Piece of cake. Listen, please.
Exercise 3. Listen, point, and say. Then say and mime.
Piece of cake. B-E-A-C-H says beach, but H-E-A-D says head. S-N-E-A-K-E-R says sneaker, but S-W-E-A-T-E-R sweater. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E says treasure, and B-E-A-R says bear. But S-T-E-A-K says steak, and so does break. It's not a mistake. Piece of cake. So girls, listen to me. B-E-A-C-H says peach, but H-E-A-D says head. S-N-E-A-K-E-R says sneaker, but S-W-E-A-T-E-R sweater. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E says treasure, and B-E-A-R says bear. But S-T-E-A says steak, and so does break. It's not a mistake. Piece of cake, okay? Now, girls, words with A-I, A-Y, and A-E. Listen, please, girls, listen.
Words with A-I, A-Y, and A-E. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. AI says A, 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 train. AY says A, 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 day. AE says A, 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 tape. Now you make the sounds and say the words. AI says A, A, A.
Okay, girls, now look at the pictures and write A-I, A-Y, or A-E, okay? Now, number one, we have snail, S-N-A-I-L. Number two, we have May, A-Y. Three, crayon, we have A-Y. Four, day, A-Y. Five, chain, A-I. Here, A-I, raincoat. Seven, tape, A and P. Here, cake, A and E. Nine, play, A-Y. And the last one, number 10, tail, A-I. So T-A-I-L. Okay? Now, my superstars, listen to the song that we have here.
Exercise 3. Listen, point, and say. Circle all the words with AI.
Class, don't forget to circle all the words with A-I and A-Y. Okay?
Rainy day. It's a rainy day today. Stay in and play. It's a rainy Saturday. Let's play, I say. The snails are out. They're big and fat. It's a rainy day today. A rainy Saturday. So fresh. So cool.
So, girls, listen to me now. Please don't forget to circle all the words with A-I and A-Y. Also, here in this song, girls. Also, here. Wait a minute. Don't forget, no, here, no need to circle any word. So, let me complete now. A rainy day. A rainy day. It's a rainy day today. Stay in and play. It's a rainy Saturday. Let's play, I say. The snails are out. They are big and fat. It's a rainy day today. A rainy Saturday. So fresh, so cool. So now, girls, listen please.
Words with OW, OA, OE. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
O-W says O, 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 snow. O-A says O, 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 boat. O-E says O, 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 toe. Now, so girls, now look at the pictures and write the words using O-W, O-A, O-R, or O-E, then listen and check. No need to listen, girls. So number one, window. Number two, toe, O-E. Number three, coat, O-A-T. Goat, number four. Number five, Joe, O-E. Number six, show, O-W. Number seven, yellow, E-L-L-O-W. And eight, soap, S-O-A-P. Okay? Now, girls, we will play together a game. We will play together a game and we will match the words with the pictures. Number one, we have wing. This is wing. Back, clock, here. Rock, here. And swing, here. Let me make sure. So all my answers now are correct. Okay, back to my lesson now. Back to my lesson. Here we have listen, point, and say, then say in mind. Listen to me, girls. I will sing this song by myself. No need to turn the audio. Oh no, she can't go. She fell down and broke her toe. She is hugging her pillow. She is feeling low. She will miss the picnic. Oh no, oh no. She fell down and broke her toe. Oh no, she can't go. Okay? Again. Oh no, she can't go. She fell down and broke her toe. She is hugging her pillow. She is feeling low. She will miss the picnic. Oh no, she fell down and broke her toe. Oh no, she can't go. Okay? Now, girls, write IE, UE, or UI. Number one, we have IE, pie. Number two, UI, like fruit. Number three, blue, UE, BLUE. Number four, juice, JUICE. Five, tie, IE, and six, Tuesday, TUESDAY. Okay? Now, listen and write. Listen and write, girls.
Exercise 2. Look at the pictures and write the words using OW, OA, or
Okay, girls, sorry. Listen and write. Joe likes apples. Joe likes bananas. Joe likes grapes. He likes all kinds of fruits. He is eating apple pie and drinking a glass of juice. He is wearing a blue tie. He looks very cool. Joe likes apple. Joe likes bananas. Joe likes grapes. He likes all kinds of fruits. He's eating apple pie and drinking a glass of juice. He's wearing a blue tie. He looks very cool, okay? So girls, your homework is page 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and 61 in your People's Book Weekend, okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.